Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. My name is Hazib bin Abdul Halim. So today I'm going to present about my final project, which is my title is Evaluation of Safety Awareness Among Worker Related to Physical Injury Accident in the Manufacturing Industry. So my supervisor is Dr. Alif Hisham bin Razak, and my department is from Department of Chemical Engineering Technology, Faculty of Engineering Technology. So we go to the abstract for first. So everyone know that manufacturing sector is the most important sector and the largest sector in the Malaysian economy. So which is their contribution to the Malaysian economy is very large. So it is important to study what is reason for the lack of safety awareness among employees. So the purpose of this study is to identify the level of knowledge of safety awareness among employees. So I have created two purpose. I have created two hypotheses were examined during this study, which is workplace hazard and workplace policy. Okay, and then so we go to the literature review. So what I have studied for past literature, which is from Ahmadun Bakri, that providing a safe and healthy workplace is one of the most effective strategy for keeping manufacturing costs low. So accident cost not only operational and project delivered delay. So for the second point of my literature study is about physical injury that is defined as damage to any bodily tissue that require a healing process. For the third point is accident that is defined as unexpected occurrence. So that accident can cause injuries, fatalities, loss production or property or asset damage. And for the last point is manufacturing that I have explained just now. Okay, so for the background of the study, so this study was based on a survey in a form of a questionnaire, which is I use a Google form to distribute, and then I do this survey at my internship place, which is at Continental TYRE Alostar Kedah. So my respondent came from various background and various region. So as a result, the parameter constrain the study in the following way to investigate the causes of lack of safety awareness among workers. So my questionnaire will cover the safety awareness among manufacturing workers who have been involved in physical injury. So as a result, a control measure will be implemented to know the cause and to enhance the safety awareness among workers in manufacturing industry. Okay, so we go to the methodology. So this methodology is my process of a final project. Okay, so first is analyze or create the title of this final year project, which is I have choose and I have discussed with two supervisor. Actually, one is my supervisor university, and the other one is industry supervisor. So the title was safety awareness. So after that, I define the activities related to physical injury, and then after the defined activities, go to the review document and get the information to analyze the accident data and to define the injury rate. And I have used a quantitative method, which is questionnaire. After that, is data analysis SPSS. I have used SPSS software. So in SPSS, I use the descriptive statistic, reliability analysis, and correlation statistic. And then we got a result from the data analysis. So the result and discussion. Okay, and this research, so there are two variables that I have explained in the first point, which is workplace policy and a procedure, and also workplace health and safety awareness. So the result in this table show that the Crown Batch Alpha have been used to analyze the data in the section C and D in my question. Okay, so the data show the value Crown Batch Alpha that refer to the table. So you can see this table for descriptive statistics section B, workplace hazard. First question is, do you think being interact with chemical or inflammable substance are dangerous? So 51 have answered this question, and others question are almost 51%. Okay, so in this section B, we know that standard deviation is more than 0.6, which is the result must be 0.6 above. Okay, so the result have been accepted. Okay, for the section C, workplace policy and procedure, standard deviation is also 0.6 and above, which means the standard deviation is accepted. And also for the section D, workplace health and safety awareness are same. And then I have do the correlation statistic. So from the correlation statistic, there are two variables, which is hazard and policy and procedure. So for the conclusion of these two variables, for the hazard, the correlation coefficient R was 0.170. The significant value P was 0.207, higher than the significant level 0.01. So hazard was not significant. Right, for the policy and procedure, the correlation coefficient R was 0.697. So the significant value was 0.000, lower than significant level 0.01, which means there was a strong positive relation for policy and procedure. Alright. So this correlation analysis is used to determine whether the value of two variables are associated. So the two variables should be random sample and should have a normal distribution possibly after transformation. So I take it from school gen 2020. So the p value for the relationship between hazard and safety awareness is higher than significant value, and there is no significant correlation of hazard towards safety awareness. However, the relationship between policy and procedure towards safety awareness is lower than significant value. So this variable for policy and procedure is accepted. There is significant correlation policy and procedure towards safety awareness. Alright. And then for my conclusion, So the first objective, which is to investigate the causes of lack of safety awareness among workers related to accident in manufacturing industry, is using SPSS. So for the objective one, the literature review of past study was studied especially from Nicole 2012. So she said as this may prevent them from being involved in the workplace accident, at least minimum the accident rate worker. Then for the second objective, which is to analyze the causes of lack of safety among the worker in the manufacturing industry using statistical method, which is SPSS. So the main value of safety awareness based on every section is more than low level, and for all section can be summarized as moderate. And then for the conclusion, for the third objective, is to propose or to recommend the solution how to increase the safety awareness among the worker. So result from the SPSS analysis indicate that the safety awareness need to be more implemented in the industry for a better future and to avoid any accident happen. So in addition, the causes of accident in the manufacturing industry should be prevented by having the mindset of awareness. So the long-term approach that establish a regular pattern of safety behavior, I believe that the value throughout the company is safety culture. So as a result, safety culture should receive the same amount of attention and as other crucial component like quality or productivity. So that's all for my presentation today. So thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you.